everyone. Welcome to Math Park by Manisha Panaskar. Today I'm not going to teach you anything. Rather, I would like to talk to you all. First of all, on this Mother's Day, I would like to wish all the lovely moms a very happy Mother's Day. On this day, I just remember one quote which I used in the inter-school teachers education competition, and I won the first prize there. माझी शाळा लाविते लळा, माझी शाळा लाविते लळा, जशी माऊली तान्या बाळा, जशी माऊली तान्या बाळा, which means school loves the children the way mother loves her kids. Yes, children. For a teacher, all her students are her kids. And on this day, I miss you all. I hope we meet soon. Don't know how long this situation continues, but let's pray that we all meet soon. Coming to maths, I would like to talk to teachers like why students fear maths. What is the reason? Is it a peer pressure, non-performance, difficulty in understanding the concepts, not taught properly? Whatever could be the ways. Maybe we have to work on it. I hear many elders saying, I wish I had a good maths teacher. I would have been this. I feel very sad. But I'm so lucky that I had a very good maths teacher, Asha Bokil ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Only because of you, I chose this profession. Teaching maths since 27 years, it's my passion. I love teaching maths. As an educator, dear teachers, what can we do to remove the fear of maths from children? And this starts in very early childhood, and then it goes on forever. So for that, we have to understand the capability of each and every student. Every child is good at something. We need to focus on what is good in that child. Give that child a target on that. Give a test on that particular topic. He scores full and he gains confidence. After that, give little harder topics. This is how you can build the confidence. Go for active learning methods. Use practical approach. Conduct practicals. Math labs should be there in the school. Conduct the practicals. Derive the formulae in class. Explain them the real life situations. How the mathematics is applicable in real life. Each and every topic can be connected to real life. Make them understand why mean, mode, median is necessary. Give them various examples. Why is probability included in the curriculum of mathematics? Students understand the risks, and that is how they develop a good decision-taking capability further. Statistics offers a great opportunity to consider global thinking in mathematics. Invite students to analyze real-world examples based on issues that matter them. Take current situation of the pandemic. How many people affected? Why? How can we solve this problem? Whether they are affected economically, health-wise. Collect the statistical data, analyze it, let students study. Let each child contribute his opinion. This is about teachers. There are various techniques, children. How do we develop the learning, an interest for learning for mathematics in children? Many innovative ideas are there. Try to use them. Engage students. Now I would like to talk to parents. Please be friends of your children. See that your child feels free to talk to you any nonsense that is bothering him or her. I know we all are busy, but at least sometime in the evening, tea time, or maybe a dinner time, we can sit together, keeping away that idiot box and talk to each other about what happened for the day. That develops the bond, and then child will never go in wrong direction. He will always tell you whatever is happening in his life, whatever is bothering, and nobody can stop him from success. For students, I would like to say, children, remember, if you watch a movie and you come out of a theater, You remember each and every scene and you are ready to narrate entire story to your friend. Why does this happen? Because you had interest in the movie. Same way, you have to take interest in subject. Make it a passion. Nobody can stop you from scoring. Understand the difference between online teaching and physical teaching. See the advantages of online teaching. In physical teaching, teacher teaches and she walks away. Students, those who have a practice of practicing the same day, they retain the concept. Some students forget. So teachers have to teach again, delay in completing of portion. Many teachers can agree with me. But in online teaching, see the benefit. If the child has not understood, he can rewind, rewatch again and again. Okay, the teacher is teaching just once, but the student can rewind and watch again and again till he understands the concepts. So students keep watching it again and again and keep practicing. I remember one saying, everything is easy if you are crazy. So be crazy for mathematics. Sachin Tendulkar, sorry, is what he is today only because he was crazy about cricket. Dr. Kalam is called a missile man because he was crazy about nuclear science. So whatever we want to achieve in life, children, we have to be very crazy about it. Keep practicing, keep watching, keep demanding whatever your requirements are. This channel is made with the need of an hour. I understood the difficulty when I was teaching the topic very. Though the students, though for the teachers, so many online tools like MathTab, GeoGebra are available, students actually need to know how to use the geometrical compass. When I was struggling to teach bearing in the class while online teaching, I was not able to show them the instruments on my whiteboard. So the thought came up to my mind, why don't I record it and show it? And then if I have to save forever, YouTube is the best thing which can benefit other students too. So this is how this channel came into existence. I want you all to take benefit of it. If you haven't subscribed, do subscribe for new updates. Keep on posting your requirements. I'll definitely work on. All the best. Have a good day, children. Bye bye.